Caroline, what is your favorite part of this house? The pool! 1, 2, 3. Come check out my newest listing at 413 Heisers Lane in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. This newly remodeled kitchen offers a modern taste to your open concept living, dining, and kitchen area, as well as a formal dining room area for a huge table. The primary bedroom is one of my favorite parts of this property, as there is a huge walk-in closet, a walk-in bathroom, and 2 vanities. It offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, an in-ground heated pool, and so much more.